players? Welcome back to BroPlay Games Unboxing. Today we have Logitech G430 surround sound gaming headset. I bought this off Amazon for about, I think, $25. The reason I got it was because I don't want to always have to use my Blue Snowball Mic to pull down in front of the face. It's easier to use these because the mic is right in my mouth and I can hear it at the same time. So that's the reason I got this. Bought these from Amazon for $25, I believe. 25, 28 or something like that. So we're just gonna unbox it real quick. It's nothing super special. I don't need to spend a whole lot of money on a gaming headset. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead with the unboxing of this. I opened it already before because I want to make sure nothing was broke, but we're gonna do this. All right, let's go. You can see I tore through the box. Like I said before, this is nothing special. It's just a gaming headset so that I can have the mic right next to my mouth. Basic stuff that comes with it, just a setup guide. Okay, so this is the headset. You can see that headset. And it has the fold down mic. That's why I got that. So it's right by my mouth, so I don't have to worry about speaking too loud because I try to be quiet when I'm recording. That's it, nothing special. It turns and this goes up and down and that kind of stuff. Let's see. On the headphones, we have the volume control, the mute microphone, and this little dongle. I believe this is for if you have a laptop that doesn't have a microphone input or plug-in, whatever you want to call it. That's what this comes with for, because you don't need this if you have a tower PC, because it has the plug-in for the microphone and the headset. Nothing special, just a quick little unboxing. Remember, this is the Logitech G430 surround sound gaming headset, and I bought this off Amazon for about definitely say $25 to $28. Hope to see y'all in my next Let's Play. Right now we're playing Wolfenstein 2, the new Colossus, so check y'all out there. This is BroPlay Games Unboxing Edition. I'm Black Lion. Peace out.